Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the brand new updates to Google Stitch. These have just dropped, and my God, are they interesting. Now, people are calling this the future of vibe designing. Google Stitch AI tool lands major update with Vibe Design Partner. People have been waiting for this for a while, and this update does actually seem pretty damn good. Now, as usual, X is awash with people overhyping everything, saying designers are finished. And yeah, there it is. It's so over for designers and much more. However, this does seem like a pretty interesting update. Let's just watch a little bit of Google's promo video. So create with a smarter design agent. I have been testing this, guys, and it does seem extremely good. So as you can see here, you can just do the normal prompting as before, but something I've already noticed is you can give it a link and it will reimagine whatever is at the end of that link. So that is something new from the new Stitch. You can actually give it your website now, whereas before you couldn't. It now does nano banana images as well, like placeholder images, which is pretty cool. There's now iteration, instant prototypes. And then the really interesting one is this one right here, which is design systems and design.md, basically allowing you to have a much better design principle across the entire website. So that's the kind of long and short of things. Let's jump into the actual tool. Just before we jump into the tool, guys, huge shout out from our sponsor, me. This is SEO.ai. You can find a link to it in both the description and in the pinned comment. This is a tool that I've been putting a lot of work into recently, and I just updated the writer to be, I would say, probably 15 to 20 times better than it was previously. We were using a cheaper model just for testing. I've changed it back to the infamous Sonnet 4.6. And you can see the quality of these articles now are absolutely phenomenal. Not only that, it's using a much better system for internal linking. It's choosing images in a much better way, and it's just much better content. So I'm super happy with the results here. Go and check out SEO.ai if you haven't. You only have about 48 hours to lock in founder pricing. Whether you get the monthly or the yearly, it doesn't actually matter, guys. I will lock you in with the founder pricing for life if you subscribe in the next 48 hours. So definitely go and check out the pricing, guys, because this pricing will change very soon, and it most likely won't be unlimited sites in the near future. Thanks to our sponsor. Let's jump back into the video. Okay, so just jumping back into Stitch, let me just show you a couple of things. So I've done two so far, right? And this one here, let's just see which one this is. So this was 3.0 Flash, it looks like. No, okay, this one was 3.0 Flash. So let's have a look at what 3.0 Flash came up with. I gave it my website, so you can see it's gone for the green. So it actually did read my website, which is super nice. I think it's important that it does read your website, because if it doesn't, like, how are you even going to do this? So I literally just said Harbor SEO concept, look up the site and improve. That's literally all I said to it. And it came up with this pretty nice design. Now, the cool things here, like I said before, is you have your own design system. This one's called Harbor Obsidian, and this does look good. I mean, personally, I would change quite a lot of things about this, but, you know, it's not just the standard vibe coded UI UX. It's a little bit more than that. However, this was using Gemini 3 Flash. Let's actually have a look at what Gemini 3.1 Pro came out with. Now, I'm not actually a fan of the 3.1 Pro model, but I will say that this design is extremely good. If you take away the placeholder pictures, right, and just look at the design for what it is, this is phenomenally good, I have to say. The quality here is absolutely excellent. I won't say insane in this case. Absolutely excellent. You can copy to Figma, you can view code, you can export, right, into AI Studio, Figma, Jules, copy to clipboard, MCP, project brief, instant prototypes. So that's super nice that they've added this, because, you know, previously it wasn't that easy to get your designs from your Stitch into your project, right? And you can now very easily just get the design principles right here and give them to your builder of choice. Now, there is also a way to get the design principles.md. So if you just click on this little button here and then click here and then design.md. So what this is basically an AI synthesis of your design types, right? So if you liked this design and you just gave these design types to an AI, it would use these design types instead of just doing a random AI generated project, right? Jakarta Sands right now, really, really hot. Everyone's using Jakarta Sands. Absolutely hilarious that came up. And this one is much more detailed, you can see, and it's also a much better design, I have to say. This is phenomenally good. There is some really good wording as well, like built for precision. And I saw another one. It might have been on the Flash one. And then this is the content architecture. This is the dashboard. This looks better than Harbor's dashboard. Honestly, this looks much cleaner. So, this is something that I might actually, use in the near future. Okay, so just be wary of that. Like, I'm not just making this video for the hell of it. This is actually something that would be interesting to me. Like, I would personally get more of these dashboard screens and see how far we can go with it. I would be curious to know if we could get it to log into Harbor. We could with the MCP, but I don't think we could just on Stitch. And then we have the pricing page. Again, probably an improvement on the current pricing page of Harbor. And then this is 100% an improvement on what we have on Harbor. So, just for one run, just, it read the website and just jumped into it straight away. This is phenomenally good. I wish I'd had this from the beginning, actually, of designing Harbor, because it would have saved me a lot of time, right? And you can get the code for this. I don't want people to think that the only way to export this is design principles. What I would personally do is do copy to clipboard like that, and then just go to, so you can go to W3 Schools, try editor, like this. If you want to see what it looks like, right? So Control A, Control V, and then bang, just like that. And then all you do is you feed this to a Claude code or an AI agent, wherever you want to actually build something. I would personally probably put this into ShadCN as well, because I've been using ShadCN more and more recently, and I have to say that it's extremely good for mobile and things like that. Overall, guys, this is the new vibe design platform that probably most people are going to be using for the near future. People don't want to just look vibe coded, right? You can instantly tell when a website has been vibe coded. And I don't think you can tell here. I think this looks a little bit more professional. And as long as you can replicate this in a good way, then you are onto a winner. Not only that, another thing I've noticed with Stitch and also with other things similar to Stitch is that its ability to write converting pages is crazy. Like, this would convert. It's not quite what we want, but the start scaling now view demo is like standard practice. And then trusted by architectural content leaders, sure. Built for precision. These are all really, really nice. This is super nice, massive scale. Ready to scale authority ? Bang. It's that simple. It's that easy, guys. I will leave the video there. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. Go and check out harborseo.ai, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.